Hey everyone, it's John, the Carnivore Teacher. Welcome back to the mini-series, How Carnivore Heals the Organs of the Body. Today we're focusing on our hormone system, also called the endocrine system. This is our body's command center for regulating metabolism, mood, growth, reproduction, and overall balance. So let's dive in. What is the hormone system? The endocrine system is made up of glands and organs that produce and release hormones, the chemical messengers that travel through your bloodstream to every tissue in the body. Here are the main hormone-producing glands: the hypothalamus, the pituitary gland, thyroid gland, parathyroid glands, the adrenals, the pancreas, the gonads, testes or ovaries, other endocrine tissues, leptin, ghrelin, melatonin, there's so many. What damages the hormone system? Modern lifestyles and diets can wreak havoc on this delicate balance. Excess sugar and refined carbs, chronic insulin releases leads to insulin resistance and hormonal disruption. Seed oils and trans fats are highly inflammatory, damaging cellular membranes and hormonal signaling. Environmental toxins like BPA, pesticides, and plastics mimic or block hormones, disrupting their activity. Inadequate fat and cholesterol. Fat-soluble hormones like testosterone, estrogen, progesterone, and cortisol are built from cholesterol. Without enough quality animal fat, the body struggles to maintain hormonal balance. Chronic stress and poor recovery. Persistent cortisol release exhausts the adrenals and disrupts hormonal rhythms. Sleep deprivation. Disruption of the body's natural circadian clock negatively impacts GH, testosterone, cortisol, and other vital hormones. How the carnivore diet supports hormonal health? The beauty of an animal-based carnivore approach is that it delivers exactly the raw materials your body needs for making and balancing its vital hormones. High-quality fats and cholesterol supports the synthesis of testosterone, estrogen, progesterone, cortisol, aldosterone, and other steroid hormones. Bioavailable nutrients rich in zinc, iron, magnesium, selenium, vitamin A, vitamin B that optimize your thyroid, your adrenals, and your sex hormone production. Stabilizes blood sugar and insulin, enables better hormonal balance across insulin, glucagon, leptin, and ghrelin. Supports recovery and growth, enables balanced GH, testosterone, and other anabolic hormones for muscle, bone, and tissue maintenance. Supports thyroid health, provides iodine, selenium, and tyrosine needed for the production of T3 and T4, ensuring an active metabolism. The benefits you might see on carnivore? People who adopt a carnivore way often notice improved energy and mood stability, stronger libido, and more balanced sex hormones, reduced menopausal and andropausal discomfort, healthier body composition, more muscle, less fat, improved thyroid markers and metabolism, and reduced fatigue and more resilient adrenal health. So, the hormonal system is like the conductor of an orchestra. When it's working properly, every instrument plays in tune. But when it's thrown out of balance by a modern, toxic, high-carb environment, the music becomes chaos. The carnivore approach delivers the right raw materials, eliminates the toxic inputs, and allows your body to naturally restore balance. It's never too late to build a better you. Stay strong, stay nourished, and stay carnivore, my friends. If you like this video, click the thumbs up, subscribe, share, and have a wonderful day. Stay tuned for the next one.